National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Walworth County in southeastern Wisconsin, northwestern Racine County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin until 12:30 a.m. At 11:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Williams Bay, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Waukesha, New Berlin, Muskego, Elkhorn, Delavan, Lake Geneva, Mukwonago, East Troy, Williams Bay, Wind Lake, Vernon, Rochester, Walworth, Fontana on Geneva Lake, Big Bend, Como, Waterford North, Potter Lake, Browns Lake, and Burlington. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. for southeastern Wisconsin.